Hi everyone, my name is Carlos and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Datagran. In this video, I'm going to show you how integrations work. So first of all, once you are logged in your workspace and you have different projects, even if you actually don't have any projects at all, you can go into your integrations section at the workspace level and start integrating different sources. So in this case, for example, I already integrated all of these sources for Datagran. If you don't have any sources at all, this is going to be an empty state, and you just need to click on create integration. Once you do that, you're going to see all the integrations that we have available for you. So for example, if I choose the HubSpot integration, the only thing I have to do is just write test. The second thing is to choose the date. And this is a very important point, because if I choose April 1st, it is just going to bring me the data from April 1st and on. It's not going to bring you any data that you had in the past. So for example, if I created in HubSpot events 1 year ago, I would just go and click January and 2019 and the 1st. And the next thing I should do is just connect with HubSpot. This is gonna authenticate me, and once it does that, I can click on next. Once I do that, it's gonna fetch all of my data. And one of the things that is really cool about this system is that it's gonna bring you all the raw data from HubSpot. So what you're gonna have to do is choose all the different tables that you have available, for example, in HubSpot. And for that reason, you're gonna need to understand really well what's the data that you have available in that specific source. So for example, in this case in HubSpot, I have all of these options that I can just click and just hit finish once I selected all of my different tables. And with this, you're gonna be able to go to either pipelines or charts to be able to select those specific tables, and I can show you that in a different video. Once you integrate HubSpot, for example, or any other source, you're going to be able to come here to this integrations panel, and you're going to see your different integrations. So for example, if I go to HubSpot, I'm going to see all the different integrations that I've done for HubSpot. Same thing, for example, for Stripe. I'm going to see all the different integrations that I did for that. The other thing that it's really cool about this system is that we have our own web SDK and mobile SDK. And what you can do here is, if you have your different integrations, I can go, for example, to my specific pixel, and you can see the live events of that pixel. So that way you can make sure that we're bringing all the events that you need or that you have in your site. So once you do that, it is very important that you remember to integrate those sources to your project, because at this point, I've only integrated them at the workspace level. So now you need to go to a specific project and integrate the sources that you integrated to your workspace. So for example, if I go here to integrations, I already have here the different sources that I chose that I already integrated to my workspace. Maybe I don't want to integrate all of those sources to this specific project. Maybe I just want to choose some of them. So the way you do this is you go to add integration, and this is going to bring all of the different sources that you have at the workspace level, and you're going to have to choose them to be able to integrate them into your specific project. Once you do that, you just click here, you just add your integration, and you'll see them right here to be able to use them in your project. Hope this helps. Thank you.